We have already discussed the concept or the theory of exercise 7. Okay, so now we'll solve the exercise. Okay, so here is the first question. The question is saying us complete the following statements. Okay, A B ରେ ଆମକୁ ଦେଇଛି two line segments are congruent. Okay, two line segments are congruent if okay ତାହେଲେ କୋଉ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଟା ହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଟା ଲାଇନ ସେଗମେଣ୍ଟ କଂଜୁରେଣ୍ଟ ହେବେ ଓକେ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ କଣ ଲେଖିପାରିବା ସିମ୍ପଲ ଆମେ ଥିଓରି ରେ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି ଅଲରେଡି ଇଫ ଦେ ହାଭ ସେମ୍ ଲେନ୍ଥ ଓକେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାପରେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କହୁଛି କଣ କହୁଛି among two congruent angles okay among two congruent angles that means there are two congruent angles that means this is the symbol of congruent okay means a congruent b. Again, it is saying one has a measure of 70 degree. Okay, let's A is given angle A is measure of A is equal to 70 degree. Then it is saying the measure of other angle is okay. So that means the measure of angle B will be how much? Same. That means will be 70 degree. Okay. Because we know if the measure of two angles are equal, then these two angles will be said as congruent. Okay. Next question, see it. When we write A equal to B, angle A equal to B, we actually mean what? Okay, we actually mean their measures are always equal. Measures, okay, the measures of the angles are always equal. That means measurement of A equal to measurement of B. Okay. And in this case, the other angle will be 70 degree. Okay. 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 Next, move to the next question. Number two. Okay. This is also very easy. It is saying give any two real life examples for congruent shapes. Okay. ଦିଟା real life example ଦବା ଆମେ ଦିଟା congruent shape ର okay, congruent shapes ର ଦେଖ ଆମେ ଦେଇପାରିବା simple କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଦେଖ ଆମେ notebooks ଦେଖିଥିବ notebooks okay ତ ଖାତାରେ ଲେଖ okay ତ ଦିଟା same brand ର notebooks କୁ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା congruent okay two two notebooks of same brand okay of same brand के बुझिपाରୁଛ कि नहीं टू बुक्स भी कहिପାରିବା दिटा बही की भी कहिପାରିବା ଆମେ टू बॉक्स ऑफ सेम सेम सब्जेक्ट ଗୋଟେ ସମାନ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ର ଦିଟା ବୁକ୍स କୁ ଆମେ କନଜୁରେଣ୍ଟ କହିପାରିବା ସିମ୍ପଲ ଆଉ ବି ଅନେକ एग्जांपल ଅଛି ଦେଇପାରିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ ନେକ୍ସଟ 3 ନମ୍ବର କରିବା 3 ନମ୍ବର କଣ କହୁଛି if triangle ABC congruent triangle FED okay under the correspondence ABC corresponds to FED. Okay, that means vertices A is equal corresponds to A, B vertices corresponds to E vertices, C vertices corresponds to D vertex. Okay, so that means under the correspondence meaning this much. Okay, जो A vertex अच्छी F सहित समान, B vertex E सहित समान, C vertex D सहित समान. Okay, again it is saying write all the corresponding congruent parts of the triangle. Okay, ले दिटा triangle लो जैसे सब congruent parts अच्छी ताकि सब लिखिबा. ମାନେ କଣ ଯଦି ସବୁ congruent angle ଅଛି ଆଉ congruent side ଅଛି ତାକୁ ସବୁ ଲେଖିବା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଚାଲ ଲେଖିବା ଓକେ ତ ଆମେ ଏଠି କଣ ଗୋଟେ ABC triangle ନେଲେ ଏ ଗୋଟେ FED triangle ନେଲେ ଓକେ ABC corresponds to FED means A vertex is A vertex corresponds to F, B vertex corresponds to E, okay. C vertex corresponds to D. Okay. Again saying write all the corresponding congruent parts of the angle. Okay. First of all, we have to write A vertex corresponds to F. Okay. And B corresponds to what? E. And C corresponds to D. Okay. Then corresponding parts of the triangle. Okay. First coming to the side. So AB will be देखो here from here you can actually write okay ABC conjugate how much is FED triangle. That means again ABC it's saying ABC corresponds to what FED. It means A equal to F, BC, BE and CD. Okay. From here we can write everything. Okay. If we consider AB, okay, the triangle of sorry here the side of AB. Okay, the side of AB will be what? AB will be equal to EF or FE. Simple. Will be equal to FE. Okay. Likewise, the side of what? The side of BC. What? The side of BC will be how much? BC. BC will be equal to ED. Okay. Side BC is equal to ED. Okay. Simple. Okay. Likewise, you can write okay. Side AC. Side AC. AC will be equal to F and D. Simple. Okay. AC is equal to FD. Simple. Now coming to the angles part. Okay. In angle same. Okay. A angle will be equal to how much? Sorry. A angle corresponds to F angle. Okay. A angle will be equal to F. Simple. A angle will be equal to F angle. Next B angle will be equal to E angle. Simple. B angle will be equal to E angle. Next C angle will be equal to D angle. Simple. C angle will be equal to D angle. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. So this is the complete of number 3. Next move to number 4. Okay. So number 4 is saying if DEF triangle congruent BCA triangle. Okay. Here it is BCA. Okay. And write the parts of BCA triangle. Okay. That correspond to angle E, side EF, angle F, side DF. Okay. That means here we have to find out the parts of triangle BCA. Okay. BCA ର ଯୋଉ ସବୁ ସାଇଡ୍ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଆଙ୍ଗେଲ ପାର୍ଟସ ଅଫ ଟ୍ରାଙ୍ଗେଲ ଏବିସି ମାନେ କଣ ଯୋଉ BCA ଟ୍ରାଙ୍ଗେଲ ର ସବୁ ସାଇଡ୍ ଆଉ ଆଙ୍ଗେଲ ଆମେ କାଢିବା ଓକେ ଯୋଉଟା କି E ଆଙ୍ଗେଲ ସହିତ ସମାନ ହଉଥିବ ଆଉ EF ସାଇଡ୍ ସହିତ ସମାନ ହଉଥିବ ଆଉ F ଆଙ୍ଗେଲ ସହିତ ସମାନ ହଉଥିବ ଆଉ DF ସାଇଡ୍ ସହିତ ସମାନ ହଉଥିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଦେଖ ଓକେ କଣ କହିଲେ 4 ନମ୍ବର ସେ କହିଲେ DEF ଟ୍ରାଙ୍ଗେଲ congruent BCA triangle. Okay. That means it देखो DF BCA that means एटी हम कोई भी कौन D vertex correspond to B vertex. Okay. And E vertex correspond to what? E vertex correspond to C vertex. Okay. And F vertex correspond to what? This is A vertex. Okay. A vertex. Okay. This much we have written. नेक्स्ट व्हाट विल डू सिंपल देखो यहाँ पे सॉरी एटी कौन कही BCA ट्रायंगल करेस्पोंडिंग पार्ट कही ओके ताले जो ई प्रथम कही ई एंगल कौन हम ओके ताले ई एंगल जो अछि तार कौन हम ई एंगल रो ई एंगल केते जीवो ई एंगल क्या से देखला देखो एटी डी होची बी सहित ई एटी ई वर्टेक्स क्या सहित सी सहित कि नहीं ताले ई वर्टेक्स क्या सहित सी सहित एफ जो एफ वर्टेक्स क्या सहित वर्टिस वर्टिस जब ए सहित सिंपल ओके ताले ई एंगल इज सी एंगल से इक्वल सिंपल ठीक सेमती कौन कही EF साइड ओके ताले EF साइड क्या से देखिबो EF साइड EF मान कोटा दिस साइड ओके दिस साइड विल बी इक्वल टू दिस साइड सिंपल ओके will be equal to CS side simple okay next thing is F angle okay so F angle here okay so F vertex is equal to what A vertex that means F angle will be equal to angle A Okay, this angle f will be equal to this a angle. Okay, next is saying df side. Okay, so df side means df side will be equal to df side d and f. Okay, d and f will be equal to b and a. From here you can write this is here is df. Okay, so you can write ba. Okay, okay, ba. From here also you can এইটু তুমি দেখি କହିପାରିବ ଓକେ ଏଇଠୁ ବି ତୁମେ ଦେଖିକି ନୋଟିସ୍ କରିପାରିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସିମ୍ପଲ ଓକେ ତ ଏଠି ଆମର କଣ ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜ 7.1 କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇଗଲା ଓକେ ତାପରେ ଆମେ ପଢିବା 7.2 ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜ ପାଇଁ ଯାହା ଥିଓରି ପଢିବା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଓକେ ଯୋଉଠି ନ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ରିପିଟ କରିକି ଦେଖ ବୁଝିପାରିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟଲି ବୁଝିପାରିବ କିଛି ବି ଅସୁବିଧା ହବନି